Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your name on Valorant's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your name on Valorant's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Riot Games application. From the home page, tap on profile icon at the top right corner of the page. From the drop down, click on account details. On the next page, enter your name right next to Riot ID and tap on Save Changes. This is how you can change your name on Valorant's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.